A storm rages deep in the forest, and a hero on wheels faces its fury.
Every drop feels heavier, every mile darker.
And then, disaster strikes.
Not now! Please! The forest tightens its grip.
He's faced fire before, but never this much rain.
He's alone, but his spirit stands strong.
Somewhere in the distance, hope awakens.
The forest's rescuer arrives, forged from steel and purpose.
Steel calls to steeling, help has come.
One nod, one shared mission.
A lifeline born from courage.
Together, they stand against the storm.
Every pull defies gravity. Every second defies fate.
Come on, girl, you can do it!
A whisper of faith in a world of thunder. Power meets persistence.
A flicker of hope under the storm's weight.
He knows one more pull could change everything.
Through the storm and the mud, steel never gives up on it. The rescue is complete before disaster could strike.
Freedom forged through rain and grit.
We did it! Even storms bow to teamwork.
The battle is over. Peace returns.
Two survivors, bound by the storm.
He's more than a driver, he's a guardian.
The road continues, but so does courage.
Every rescue writes a story in rain and steel.
Courage never rusts. Even after the darkest storm, light returns.
Another storm survived, and another story to tell. Every rescue echoes beyond the rain.